Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we are talking about how to reconnect Shark robot disconnected from Wi-Fi. To reconnect your Shark robot to Wi-Fi, you have to follow some steps. First of all, you have to ensure your Shark robot is charged and on its dock. After that, you have to turn off your router for about 10 seconds and then turn it back on. This can resolve any connectivity issues. After that, turn the Shark robot off and then on again using the power switch. Then you have to hold down the dock and clean button simultaneously until the Wi-Fi indicator light begin to blink. This indicates the robot is ready to connect to Wi-Fi. After that, you have to download the Shark Clean app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Open the app and log in to your Shark account or create an account if you don't have any account. After that, you have to select the robot. After that, you have to select add robot or similar option, choose your robot model and then follow the prompt to select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Then you have to wait for Shark robot to connect to your Wi-Fi network. The Wi-Fi indicator on the robot should become solid once connected. After that, you have to test the connection by using the app to start a cleaning cycle. Hopefully, by this you can reconnect your Shark robot to Wi-Fi. Hopefully, this video help you to reconnect your Shark robot disconnected from Wi-Fi. And if you want to buy the product, I'll give you the link in the description. Hopefully, this video help you. Thanks for watching.